Hi everybody, this session I'm going to talk about generating a structured grid on a spherical object. Let me show you all the domain here, visibility on, apply, then here in 3D elements, update. As you can see, the sphere is placed in the middle of this cube, as you can see there, and this cube in the back is in fact the wake region. Okay, now I open the program from the beginning to generate all these, the cat and the grid. Here I close this program. Here on desktop, for example, or any address you like, just open the Gambit program. First we construct the geometry, and after that we generate the grid. Here, come here and right click on this sphere, any dimension you like, for radius, for example 10. This is the sphere. After that, a grid, a brick here, a cube with dimensions, for example 100. You can change these numbers um, according to your project. Apply, fit the view. As you can see, we have this, and in the middle we have this sphere. Okay, come here in this tab and select project and select split face. Here in edges tab you can select, for example, these four or any other of the sides, and in the face just select the sphere shell. Apply. As you can see, these four edges are projected on the sphere. Okay. After this, I'm going to connect these four vertices to these four on the top. Right click, choose straight, this one to this one, and so on. And come here, wireframe. Let's create the faces. Right click means apply, or you can select apply tab here. And this one here, like before, and the last one. So we have these four faces in the sides. And after this, we are going to create a volume. This one, this one, this one, and this one. These are the sides. This is the bottom side. This is the top side. It's not correct. Just middle click to have the alternative option. And apply. You can see in the transcript created volume 3. So come to delete, and let's delete the other volumes, this one and this one. As you can see, we have just this shape. Now I'm going to generate the grid in this shape, and after that I'm going to rotate and copy the generated grid to extend to the more complete domain. Come here to the grid boundary layer, and here the first row thickness, for example 0.3 or anything you like. The growth factor, I do not want it to grow, so the unit is okay. The number of layers here are 10 for example, and the edges must be changed to faces. As I select this, you can see all the options are applied here. 10 layers with the first one and the last one thickness of 0.3. Right click to apply, or just click the apply button here. Okay. And now I'm going to generate the grid for the other parts. This one, for example, interval count, for example 30, and I select a ratio of 1.0505. Okay, right click, select it, and just go to the other edges, right click to apply. Okay, now I'm going to generate the grids for the faces. Come here and select this. You can see the vertices are named S, S, S. It means side. Let me uh, apply the default. But as you can see, we have a grid, but it's not structured because the vertices on this edge, for example, are not one by one connected to the ones in front of them. So I undo this here and come here and select the basic, this one, and I select the type end, and in vertices I select the 4 vertices. Okay, and right click. As you can see, the vertices are named E, which means end. Now again come here and select the face, middle click to change, uh, you see, apply. But that's it. We have a structured grid for this part of the sphere. One by one, the vertices are connected to each other. This one, and this one. Okay. Now let's go to the grid generation for the side, or for the side faces. This one, and these two. Just right click or apply. As you can see, the grid is generated, and let's go and make the grid for the volume. Select the volume, right click. As you can see, the grid is generated. Let's just have a better look to it. For example, a sphere, and this one means R. You can see the elements. These are the elements. Hexahedral elements of the structured generated grid. Okay, that's it. Now let's copy this volume with its mesh so we can have the other parts of the domain. Come here and here, volume, copy, copy. We need 3 copies of it, and look at this axes X, Y, and Z. Let me disappear. Let me invisible the. Here, come to coordinate system, make it off. As you can see, it's invisible. Okay. I select this volume and rotate by 90 degrees and select copy mesh unlinked, copy zone types and copy mesh linked. I will talk about them later in future videos. And the axis direction is by default here the Z direction. You can change it in define and just right click or apply. As you can see, we have this one, and this one. Let me show you here. Come to the range, update it. As you can see, we have produced 4 blocks, but this one is not generated yet, and this one. So again, come to the copy. We need 1 by 90 degrees around X axis. Come here, select X positive, apply, select this one, and just apply. This one is created, and now the other one in that side must be minus 90 degrees. Okay, again, apply, and it is created. Let's just have another look at it. Update. You see, all the 6 blocks are generated. Well, as you may know, some of the faces are in fact overlapped, and um, they must be omitted. So come to the face, come to the connect, and select all the faces and apply. As you can see, it is written here, connected multiple faces resulting in 12 connected faces. So we did this because it may cause problems, but by doing this, everything is okay. That's it. So right now I'm going to generate the grid for the weight region, for the weight of this sphere. Come here in the edge, right click, choose sweep, select the vertex like this, and select the vector, define it, x positive, magnitude, for example 300, apply it, again apply it. As you can see, we have an edge here. Let's make it meshed, select it, for example 50, and let me define a ratio, for example, or 2. You can choose by your mesh independency procedure. These are all optional. Okay, again come to the cat region and select volume, right click on this, select sweep faces. Now if I choose this face, and in the edge I choose this edge, it will go in the space and create a volume. But if I want to have it meshed by the pattern on this edge, it is just enough to select with mesh. Okay, apply. Well, as you can see, we have a a meshed block with the pattern we defined before. Come here, update it to see the grid, and if you want to have slices, come to plane, and for example in the Z direction you have the slices. You can display the slices and the details of the grid. Okay, that's it. I will talk about boundary conditions and other subjects of this procedure in the future videos. I hope it has. I hope it is useful for you and practical for you. And if you have any questions or any problems with your projects, just let me know. And I put the files of this project in the Telegram channel, and you can download them if you like. And uh, you can message me or email me in the descriptions, and I put the addresses. Thanks and be safe and bye.